Hi everyone. Most people think you only have to choose one lane, either trading, investing, or buying real estate. What if I told you could do all three? I trade NASDAQ futures for active income, I invest in the stock market for long-term growth, and I buy rental properties for steady cash flow. In this video, I'll talk about how I balance each one and how you can use the same approach to build real sustainable wealth. Trading futures for me is like a very short-term investment. I'm in and out of a trade within minutes, seconds, and maybe at most 15 to 20 minutes. It is very technical, structured, and risk controlled. When I make profits, I don't spend them. I treat it as a fuel for my other investments. That's the first lesson. Use trading as a tool to create capital, not your main source of wealth. Once I've built that capital from trading futures, I move those profits into my stock portfolio. That's where compounding happens. I hold dividend ETFs for income and growth names like Nvidia, Apple, and Amazon for appreciation. Dividends are automatically reinvested in my scenario, so I can go on about my day. I don't have to constantly be looking at the charts and the market, and it's less stress. But here's what I've learned. Trading grows your cash, investing grows your wealth. Sometimes I'll trim positions when market overheats, but the goal is to hold quality companies long enough to let time do its work. Real estate is my foundation. I own rental properties that generate consistent monthly income. Tenants cover the mortgage, the property appreciates, and I benefit from tax deductions. Even when market swings, those properties keep paying me the same amount every month. That's lesson 3. Build something that pays you while you sleep. Stocks can fluctuate, trading can slow down, but a solid rental keeps the cash flow steady. So here's how it all ties together. Trading gives me active income. I snowball those profits into the stock market, which gives me growth and dividends. And from that, with my realized profits and gains, I purchase real estate, which gives me leverage and stability. Every dollar I make from trading eventually ends up in assets that pay me passively. It's a loop. Cash flow, compounding, stability. That's the real wealth cycle. The most important thing I learned is separation. I never mix my trading account with my investment account or my rental income. Each has a purpose. Trading money is short-term, investing money is long-term, and real estate is forever. When you respect those boundaries, your strategy stays clean and emotion-free. I trade for income, I invest in stocks for growth, and I buy real estate for freedom. That's how I balance all three, and you can do the same. If you want to learn more about how you can balance the three and learn more about the intricate details of trading, investing, and real estate, I'll be going more into detail in the next upcoming videos in the next few weeks. So hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. There will be more to come with more information, and you'll be able to build real wealth.